Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Hello again, this is another episode of SkilletSkills.com. I'm Chef Ron, and today we're going to make chicken with baby bok choy. Let's get started. You'll notice a pattern, and that is the marinated, the velveting of the chicken, cornstarch, soy sauce, and cooking wine in these amounts. So you just want to do like I don't want to get cornstarch all over my hands, but it's a pinch. And a pinch is about like that. For that, and then you need a squirt of this soy sauce, about like that. And these are heavy squirts, and this is a heavy squirt of Chinese cooking wine. A little too heavy, but this top comes out. Let's see what it looks like here. What you want the paste to look like? It's a thin, light brown marinating paste. First thing with chicken and baby bok choy, we heat the wok, we add the oil after the woks come to temperature, and then ginger, garlic, and let's try some of these dried peppers, a little color, give it a little tiny kick. Most of the seeds are removed so it won't be too spicy. And then we have our chicken that we previously velveted. Just want to kind of go through it again, move it around, some marination there. This is the first thing. We'll go into your sauce preparation. Can't rush this wok, but a good way to check it get a little water in. Now we know we can add some oil. And let's put in our garlic and ginger. Just spread it around. I like to, with all these dishes at about this point, you just put a little bit of sesame oil. That's where it seems to capture the essence of that. You can put it on the vegetables. And then right around now, let's go ahead and put the chicken in. The only thing with Chinese cooking is it's quick. And you have to make sure that it absorbs oil. You got to make sure that you have enough on there. Is that okay? Now you got to let things set with chicken. Spread it around, let it set a little, and when it dries up, add a little more oil. Let's add our bok choy. Give it a little bit more oil. Kind of toss our bok choy in. And this wilted for a while, but it's go ahead and put your chicken back in, and then stir it up a bit. Add your chilies. And then take your cornstarch water mixture. And be sure to do this because you'll accomplish nothing throwing the water in the cornstarch. Will all be stuck to this. And then watch how quickly. As long as it's boiling, it becomes just an instant, as you can see. Ready to go. Go to your food section. Chicken with baby bok choy.